Thanks for joining me for lunch, Anna.
Thank you for inviting me. I like this restaurant. It's very nice.
Yes, it's one of my favorite places. I've been here several times.
Really? What do you usually order here?
Usually the grilled chicken or the fish. Both are always very good.
Sounds nice. Today I decided to try the vegetable pasta.
It looks great. How does it taste?
It's delicious. The vegetables are fresh and the sauce is very good. How about your fish?
It's very tasty. Not too salty and cooked just right.
I'm glad we chose this place.
Me too. Also, the waiter is very friendly.
Yes, good service really makes a difference.
I agree. Sometimes a good waiter makes the meal more enjoyable.
Exactly. I've had some experiences with not so friendly waiters.
Me too. One time I went to a restaurant and waited almost an hour for my food.
That's awful. Did they apologize?
No, not even a sorry. After that, I didn't go back.
I understand. I once had cold pasta served to me and the waiter wasn't helpful at all.
Good service definitely matters. Luckily, the waiter here today is great.
Yes, he explained the menu clearly when I asked.
I noticed that. Do you often ask waiters about dishes?
Sometimes, especially if I'm not sure what to choose. What about you?
I usually ask for recommendations if I haven't been to the restaurant before.
Waiters often know what's best.
Right. Sometimes they even tell you about dishes that aren't on the menu.
Yes, that can be a nice surprise.
Do you usually get starters or appetizers at restaurants?
Only if I'm really hungry. Maybe a small salad or soup. And you?
Same. Today I was hungry, but I thought the main dish would be enough.
Me too. The portions here are good sized, I think.
Yes, not too big, not too small.
Do you feel like having dessert today?
Not today. I think I'm already full. What about you?
I think I'll skip dessert too. Maybe next time.
Good idea. I might have a coffee today.
Coffee sounds good. I might have one too.
By the way, do you think this place is expensive?
No, I think it's reasonable. The food quality is high and the price feels fair.
I agree. Some restaurants charge more, but the food isn't as good.
Exactly. That's disappointing when it happens.
Do you like to read restaurant reviews before visiting a new place?
Yes, I usually check online. What about you?
Me too. It's helpful to know what others say.
Sometimes I try new restaurants just by chance, though.
That's fun too. Have you found good places that way?
Yes, a few times. Small local restaurants that I didn't know about before.
I love finding small local restaurants. They often have the best food.
Yes, and usually very friendly service, too.
Exactly. Friendly service and good food are always a great combination.
Do you prefer eating out or eating at home?
I like both. Eating out is nice because someone else cooks and cleans up,
Yes, that's a big plus.
but eating at home is more relaxing, I think.
True. At home, you don't have to wait for the waiter or the check.
Right. Speaking of the check, shall we ask for it?
Yeah, sure, I'm almost finished.
Me too. How should we pay today? Do you prefer splitting the check or taking turns?
Either way works for me. Maybe today we can split it.
Sure, that's fair.
Do you usually pay by card or cash?
Usually card. You?
Card as well. It's just easier.
I agree.
Do you often leave tips?
Yes, if the service was good. Do you?
Yes, especially when the waiter is helpful and friendly.
Today the waiter deserves a tip, I think.
Definitely. He was very nice.
Should we call the waiter and ask for the check now?
Yes, good idea.
Excuse me, could we have the check, please?
Thank you.
So, would you come back to this restaurant again?
Yes, absolutely. Next time, I might try something different.
Me too. The grilled chicken you mentioned sounds interesting.
Maybe next time I'll have the fish.
Great idea. I think you'd like it.
Do you have any other favorite restaurants nearby?
There's an Italian restaurant not far from here. Have you been there?
Not yet, but I've heard good things about it.
We should try it sometime. The pasta there is great.
Sounds good. Let's do that.
Perfect. We can plan another lunch then.
I'd like that.
Are there any types of restaurants you'd like to visit that you haven't tried yet?
Maybe a seafood restaurant. Do you like seafood?
Yes, I love seafood. I'd be happy to go to a seafood place next time.
Great, let's plan that.
This was really nice. The food was great.
Yes, it's good to sit and have lunch without rushing.
I agree. It looks like the waiter is coming with our check now.
Perfect timing.
Thank you very much. Can we pay by card?
Thanks for your help today. Everything was great.
Yes, thank you. We enjoyed it.
All right, should we get going?
Sure. This was nice. Let's do it again soon.
Definitely. See you soon, John.
See you, Anna. Wow, this was a great conversation.
Yes, it was. If you want to practice more real life English, subscribe to the channel. And let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.